because it's going to be a very special show.
All right, put on your opera glasses because it's time to present Maestro Mickey Mouse and the PhilharMagic Orchestra. Mickey, where's Donald? The orchestra's missing and it's showtime.
Showtime? Well, I gotta open the curtains. Goofy, we're not ready. What's that? I can't hear you, Mickey. Donald, wake up! It's showtime! Don't forget the orchestra. And don't touch my cat.
Bonjour! It is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now, the dining room proudly presents your dinner. Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, sherry, and we provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvre, why we only live to serve. Try the gray stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's-its and what's-its galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? no big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore up above? Watch and you'll see. Someday I'll be part of your world. King was before. I'm brushing up, I'm looking down, I'm working on my roar.
Thus far, rather an inspiring theme.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Everybody look left, everybody look right. Everywhere you look, I'm standing spotlight.
Not yet.
You say, good God, I'm your you make me un poco loco, un poquitito loco. The way you keep me guessing, I'm nodding and I'm yesing. I count it as a blessing that I'm only un poco loco.
That you make me, it is just un poco crazy. The sense that you're not making
The liberties you're taking leaves my
cabeza
gums shaking. You're just un poco loco.
Show you the world, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view, no one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
Thank you. I sure hope you like the show, everybody. Oh, and on your way out,